Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the gas to your range. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the oven thermostat in a GE range. It's going to be an easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 15 screwdriver, a putty knife, and a Phillips screwdriver. The oven thermostat controls the oven temperature. The main reasons why an oven thermostat would need to be replaced are if it shorts out, causing the so-called runaway oven effect, or if it burns out, preventing the oven from turning on or shutting off. Make sure the grate is not hot and then lift it out. Then leave the burner cap and the surface burner. Remove all 12 screws that hold the burner bases to the top panel. You may run into a couple of stubborn screws. Be patient and use the rust buster on those. Sometimes you have to soak it overnight. Then remove them with the Torx 15 screwdriver. Using the putty knife, pry all 4 top burner igniters out and disconnect the wires from the igniters. Insert the putty knife into the seam under the cooktop, push in to unlock the locking clip, one at each corner, and lift the top. Push in the igniter wires and then remove the top panel by lifting the left side hinge out of the bracket and pulling the right side hinge from the mounting hole. Pull all the knobs off. Take out the 4 Phillips screws from the front. Open the oven door about a quarter of the way and pull it off the hinges. Remove both racks. Now let's get inside the oven. Squeeze and take out the 2 retainer clips and free the sensor bulb by sliding the clips off. Carefully bend the sensor bulb so it can fit into the hole. Push it through the hole and then move to the rear of the range and pull the thermostat sensor out. Straighten up the bulb and pull it through completely. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that hold the front panel from the bottom and remove the front panel. Carefully lower it down. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws that hold the thermostat. Pull it out and remove the protective splash guard. Take the 2 wires of the thermostat's terminals and remove the old thermostat. Then clear the sensor from all the obstacles. Remove the old thermostat. This is the old oven thermostat next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. It may look a little different from the original part, but trust me, it will work just fine. Uncoil the sensor tube and feed it under the burner tubes and wires. Bend the sensor bulb and then insert it into the hole at the back. Let's get back inside the oven and fish out the thermostat sensor. Straighten it out and clip it onto the rear wall. Connect both thermostat wires. It doesn't matter which one goes where. Slide on the splash guard. Put the shaft through the opening and secure the thermostat with 2 Phillips screws. Install the front panel. Then install the 3 Phillips screws at the bottom of the panel. Slide in both racks. Install the door on the hinges. Slide it down and make sure it's closed properly by opening and closing it a couple of times. Secure the front panel with the 4 Phillips screws at the front. Install the knobs. Install the top panel by inserting the right hinge first and placing the left hinge into the support. Thread the igniter wires through the holes and connect the igniters. Lower the cooktop and push it down to lock and then push in all the igniters. Install 12 Torx 15 screws. Put all burners and grates on. And now, when we're done with the repair, turn the gas on, plug the wrench in, and make sure there's no gas leak. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.